traders. So today we finished in the red. We are down $807. Not a good day for me, not a good day. We traded a couple stocks. Everything just kind of did a false breakouts and bunch of manipulation in the market today. Well, in my eyes at least. I did have a couple winning trades. I think I was profit. I think I was up a couple moments in the day, but other than that, it was kind of, but I started off on GCT. This stock was popping up pre-market. Didn't really do nothing that much at open. It did have this little breakout, kind of a little choppy here, but I got in pre-market here. Um, so I got in right here as it broke this bear flag up right here. Um, this 1 minute counter make a new high at 597, and sold for a little profit. I got in right here at 597 and I ended up taking my profits at 605 with 600 shares, so that was a little small profit there. Then I ended up taking another trade on it on this line. I believe it's six. What was it? What's this line right here? Um, it says 609, so 609, 609, and then I wrote this, and this was kind of, it bounced off this line, so I was like, okay, it's holding support. Went up, and I took profits at 617 with 500 shares, so for a little small profit there. And then I took another. I think I took this one was a break-even trade. Yeah, I got caught off this false breakout right here. So we were gonna retest this resistance point right here. So I bought in right here at 640. No, right here at 640. I got failed. It went up to 45, and then I took a break-even trade at 40 right here on the downside. I just didn't really trust this. Buyers were kind of stepping down. Sellers are picking up, so I was kind of worried about this 9 moving average right here. Um, and then I took another trade on this one. Um, right here, to anticipate this breakout, retesting this resistance point again. It looked pretty strong, so I was anticipating the breakout. I bought in at 645. It did a double top here, so I was kind of scared. And then I ended up cashing out at 645. So that was another break-even trade. That was also a false breakout right there. Double topped, came back down, retested the 9 moving average, and then on the second pull, um, it did it did pop over. I did watch this just because I didn't know if it was going to hold over this breakout spot. I was waiting for a 1 minute pullback after the breakout. It went up to 668, and then I got caught on this one right here. So this one I got filled at 664 to anticipate to break this double top over here, this resistance point. It was bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around. It did a kind of a false breakout here. Rejected. Didn't quite top the 668 level. Rejected. I ended up taking a loss on it. So I waited for this 1 minute pullback. It retested this 20 moving average. Then it retested the 9, failed the 9. It retested the 20, then it popped back up, and it was holding support at the 9, and then it broke down supports. So I took my loss right here. So that was a major loss I took. Um, and then I took um, also right here. I got trapped in this false breakout as well. So I got this 1 minute candle to make a new high right here. I waited for it to pass over this line, so I got filled right here at 642. It popped up to 645, did a false breakout. Um, Double topped, came back down. I took my loss around here at 634. Just to see if it was going to hold this support and double bottom here and potentially go to the upside. I failed. So that was it for that one. So that was majority of the loss. And then ORGS, this one, just a lot of mishap and just this market is just today was a lot of false false breakouts, just rejecting manipulation in my opinion. Um, so this one didn't do shit all day. Wait, where am I at? This is the minute chart, right? I traded this one today. Was it here? No. What the heck? What happened? Where are we at? Oh, okay, right here. Sorry. So this one was pre-market as well. So I got caught in this. So it broke over here. This resistance point right here that I had, it broke over. It just couldn't hold. So I bought in 2,000 shares at 19, anticipating this breakout potentially to go to 19.5, potentially retest this high of 201. It pretty much did a false breakout. I held it over this 1 minute pullback right here, micro pullback, and then I was thinking maybe we are gonna get a reversal. I seen this double bottom, so I was holding through this double bottom. It popped up, and then I ended up taking a loss. So I bought in at 190 and I sold at 178. So yeah, that was 2,000 shares. So that was a about a 12-cent loss with 2,000 shares. So that was a big loss. Then I retried it. Where was it at? I, no, that was it for that stock. I didn't trust it after that. It kind of was, going on a downtrend here. And then I also seen VRU pop up. Um, this one, this one was pre-market as well. I think I did I did a winner on this one. So I was watching this breakout right here. You seen past this right here, 1 minute candle to make a new high. I was watching this levels right here just real closely. I ended up purchasing 300 shares up here at $13 to anticipate the breakout to keep going, the continuation of the breakout. Then I ended up taking my profits right here at 13.52. So I was like, okay, that was a good, that was a good trade. Then I took a loss on it. So I waited for this. I was potentially waiting for this micro pullback right here. So I ended up getting in at 13.55 around this area right here. This micro pullback, it went down to 12.97, and I was still holding at the time. And then it retested this line right here. Well, at this time, this line wasn't here, but I just seen this volume start picking up, so I was like, okay, maybe we're gonna get it a retest or retest of this candle, 14 potentially, 14.10, 14.20, 14.30. But we actually failed this level, so I ended up taking my loss at 13. So from 13.55, that was like 55 cents with 300 shares, so that was a huge loss as well. Um, and then I took one other trade. SPRC. This one, this one had a good little pre-market action right here. Today was just a horrible day for me. I mean, there were quality setups, but nothing. The volume and everything wasn't there, in my opinion. And I was already I was already too far in my loss to keep trying to go like later. So I just called it quits. I was like, you know what, that's it. I'll come back tomorrow and see what we can do. Where did I trade this one at? This one was at open actually. So where was it at? We got this. We got this. Where did I buy this? Okay, so I did a winner on this. I got a little bit of profits back. Um, we did this break through this VWAP 9 to 20 moving average. So I ended up buying in here at 150, um, 150 right here with about 2,000 shares. And then I sold up here at 150, 154, at 154 right here, 154. So I got that little break. Um, Micro pullback right here. So I was waiting, double bottomed right here. So I ended up waiting for this confirmation. I traded off the double bottom again I got in a little high. I was anticipating this breakout candle right here as it did reach up here, but it ended up double topping. But I was anticipating this breakout. But it failed, so I bought in at 150. I got filled at 155. It hit a high of 156, and then it rejected, and I ended up taking a loss down here at 150. I just cut the loss, so that was 2,000 shares. So that was also a big loss on it. And then also took one other trade. This one right here, anticipating the breakout. This line right here. Um, I bought in at 154 right here, anticipating the breakout. It squeezed up to 156. I was still holding. It was 2 cents. It just happened fast. I hit a high up here at 157, and it just rejected. Did a little false breakout there, so I ended up taking my loss right here down at 150. So yeah, that was my daily recap for the day. Spy did really well today. Towards the later, I do keep Spy pulled up just to see where the general market, but everything like the DWAC had a nice pre-market, and then it kind of sold off. Like it hit a high of 30.50, and you know it opened it opened right here at 22. So pre-market had this little, but just nothing was really popping up. But I'll be back tomorrow for another day trading recap. Thank you guys.